In this video, I would like to introduce the Figma and the Crowdin integration simple guide. And so for this guide, first you'll need a Crowdin account and to create a new project, a branch, and also create API token, access token. And second, you need the Figma file. Yeah, so you can create or copy a Figma file from the original Figma. And next, I would show you the guide step by step. By the way, all the content, it is from the Crowdin knowledge base, and here is the Figma plugin. Yeah, so firstly, we would set up the Crowdin account. And so here I have a registered account, a Crowdin account. So after you register, you can go to the profile page, and here you can create a project. And the project, for example, I just give example is impact example. And I would encourage you to set this is a public project. And the source language is English. I have example as Chinese simplified. So next, create this project. You can also set your native language as the target language. And in this page, you could create a version branch for the content. And so here you can create the new version branch. And for example, this is a main branch, or you can customize your name and then create. Okay, yeah, so for now, the project, it is prepared very well. And next step, we will create the API access token. You need to go to the setting page, account setting page, and then go to the API and click new token. Here, you need a name for your token. For example, the token name is Figma, and create. Okay, I need to authorize the credential, and here, this is the API access token, and you need to copy this token. And then we will go to the Figma. And here, this is the original Figma file. And we can see that in the plugin, it's available in view only. Yeah, so this is the original file. So I need to duplicate this Figma file to my draft. So I will create, open the duplicate one. And in my own Figma file, I will go to the plugins and manage plugins. And here, Crowdin for Figma, I have installed. But if this is the first time you install the plugin, you need to browse plugins in community and search the Crowdin plugin and install. And after you install the Crowdin for Figma plugin, and you need to configure this plugin. And okay, here we can see in the settings, you need to input the personal access token. So I need to copy paste the token and click the connect. And once the connection is set up, we can see the project and branch from Crowdin. So let's wait a second. Maybe there is something wrong. Okay, let me check. Okay, after connected, and we need to select the project, its impact example, and the branch is main. Yeah, so this is a configuration for the Crowdin for Figma. And next, we will upload all the content in this Figma to Crowdin. Yeah, so go to page translation. And in the first section, we can see the Figma to Crowdin. And then we can click all frames. And then it will upload all the content in this Figma to Crowdin. And yeah, it will take several minutes to upload all the content, because there are about 20K words in this Figma file. So let's wait several minutes. Yeah. And after the upload, we can see the all the informations, all the contents in the project. Yeah, so this is the Crowdin project impact example. We can go into the project, and we set up the Chinese simplified. Yeah, so click the Chinese simplified. But for now, yeah, there are no files here, yeah, because the upload it is in progress. Yeah, let's see the progress is 71, 73. Yeah, let's wait several minutes. Okay, yeah, well, we can go through the simple guide. Yeah, so the first step is set up Crowdin. Yeah, just now I show you how to create a new project, how to create a branch, and also how to create API access token. And the second step is to create the Figma file. And the third is install the Crowdin for Figma plugin. And next is configure the Crowdin plugin. Yeah, so current step 8 is upload the content to Crowdin. Yeah, so after you upload all the content, you can do all the translation and review just on Crowdin. Yeah, it's an excellent tool for the translations. Yeah, so after review the content on Crowdin, yeah, you can also synchronize the finalized content back to Figma. Yeah, so it's just one click. So let's go into here. It's almost there. It's collecting content. Oh, let's go into Chinese simplified, refresh. Okay, still needs some time. Okay, once your upload is done from Figma to Crowdin, you can go to the Crowdin project and click the target language, and then you can see all the content from Figma, and we can see there are many tags need to translate, and you can translate the content one by one. Yeah, so for example, the first one is table of content. You can just choose one of the correct translation from machine. Yeah, so and then you can save and go to next one. Okay, next one. You can translate content one by one. And after you translate, you can go to the Crowdin for Figma plugin, and also here the Crowdin to Figma. You can select language and then click all frames. It will synchronize the translated content from Crowdin to Figma. So here I will not demonstrate this guy. Okay, that's all for the Figma and Crowdin integration. Enjoy your translation. Thank you very much.